everyone, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. Inde Badida. I changed the name of my channel. So guys, today is the first Friday of the month. So because every Friday we're going to the church with the friends. It's supposed to be on Sunday, but I like to go to the church Friday, guys. So I just woke up this morning, and then I'll have milk, supposed to be coffee, but I don't have coffee, so I'll drink milk. So guys, today September 6, so I have 19 days more to go before my birthday, because my birthday is September 24, and I wish guys I can have more subscribers, viewers, and likers. And I hope also guys that I'll have a good health always, blessings from God, and then good health for my parents, and blessings for my family, and then also those people who get sick, sana po gagaling silang lahat, at sana yung mga tao na people, to those people who get no food, I wish they can have, they can survive every day. And pinagpipray, and I pray also for myself that I hope God will give me long life to go. Sana po, para po maging masaya naman, di ba? So, I won't tell you guys how old I am, but I'm still kicking. Happy, of course, and I am very thankful to God that He gave me, even it's not abundant blessing, but He gave me a blessing every day, and I was really happy to make people happy, to help people, and that's all I want, guys. I am very happy once I help people, once I help someone, even a little thing. I was very happy. So guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna update you what I'm going to do later. So I make this video because I just want you to know, guys, my wish on my birthday, I hope I get many subscribers, more viewers, more likers. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Have a good first Friday of the month. Bye bye. See you later. See you on my next vlog. But don't forget, guys, before you go to the next channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button para updated ka sa lahat ng mga videos na susunod ko. So guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching.